In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rasterize a layer in Photoshop. Rasterizing converts a flexible layer like text, a vector shape, or a smart object into regular pixels so you can paint on it, erase parts, or run pixel-based filters. It's powerful, but keep in mind that once a layer is rasterized, you lose the ability to edit it as text or a vector. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly. First, make sure the Layers panel is open so you can see and manage your layers. If you don't see it on your screen, open it from the window menu and choose Layers. This panel is your control center for everything we're about to do. Next, click to select the layer you want to rasterize. This might be a type layer with a small T icon, a shape layer showing a path icon, or a smart object indicated by a tiny badge on the thumbnail. Choosing the correct layer is important because rasterizing affects only the layer you have highlighted. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one, especially if you're working in a complex document with lots of layers. Now, right-click directly on the selected layer in the Layers panel. From the context menu that appears, choose Rasterize Layer. Depending on the layer type, you may see variations like Rasterize Type or Rasterize Shape. Select the option that rasterizes that specific layer. As soon as you confirm, the special icon on the layer thumbnail disappears, telling you it's now made of pixels. After rasterizing, the layer behaves like a standard pixel layer. That means you can grab brushes, the eraser, or any pixel-based filters and effects and apply them directly. The trade-off is that you won't be able to edit the text content, adjust shape paths, or re-enter smart object contents the way you could before rasterizing. A few tips to work smarter here. Rasterize only when you need the flexibility of pixel edits. If you're unsure, consider preserving an editable version elsewhere in your file so you can return to it later. Also, remember that rasterized layers don't scale up as cleanly as vectors or text, so try to commit to your final size before rasterizing, and that's it. You open the Layers